This is Papa G with Aromagees Botanica, and today we're going to dive deep into a video about the magical properties of cornsilk. You might just find yourself surprised at what this humble plant can do. Throughout history, folks have turned to cornsilk for its numerous benefits. It's been a trusted ally in folk medicine, used by many a wise healer across different cultures. Fast forward to today, and cornsilk still holds a revered place in modern herbal medicine. It's praised for its natural healing properties and is often recommended by herbalists for a variety of ailments. One of the most well-known uses of cornsilk is for urinary health. It acts as a soothing diuretic and can help support the urinary tract in functioning smoothly. Now let's talk a bit about cornsilk and its benefits for skin health. This natural remedy, often overlooked, can be a gentle and effective solution for various skin concerns. Harvesting cornsilk is quite simple. It's best to collect it when the corn is young and the silks are still tender. You can use cornsilk fresh or dried in teas or infusions to harness its health benefits. Many folks have shared their stories with me about how cornsilk has made a difference in their lives. From soothing skin irritations to improving complexion, the testimonials are truly inspiring. So, that wraps up our journey into the world of cornsilk. I encourage y'all to try incorporating cornsilk into your wellness routine. Whether it's for skin health or other benefits, you might be pleasantly surprised by the results.